Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, I want to dive into something truly mind-blowing in the world of coding and AI. Google has just unveiled a game-changer called AI Studio, and it's revolutionizing how we build apps. Imagine a platform that transforms your ideas into reality with just a few prompts. Intrigued? Let's explore. Google AI Studio is not just another coding environment. It's a full-stack vibe experience. What does that mean? Well, it's like having a super smart assistant that understands your vision and brings it to life. And the star of the show is the Antigravity coding agent. The agent is like your personal AI developer, taking your prompts and turning them into actual apps. But here's the twist. It's not just about coding, it's about the entire app building journey. From multiplayer games to secure authentication, AI Studio has you covered. And the best part? You don't need to be a coding genius to create something amazing. One of the standout features is multiplayer functionality. With AI Studio, you can create real-time multiplayer games or collaborative tools with ease. It's like having your own game development studio, but without the coding headaches. This opens up a world of possibilities for social gaming and interactive experiences. But it doesn't stop there. AI Studio also takes care of the backend stuff that often intimidates new developers. It automatically sets up databases and user authentication using Firebase. This means your apps are not just cool prototypes. They're production-ready, secure, and scalable. A huge win for indie developers. What I find fascinating is the agent's ability to understand your app's needs. It proactively suggests Firebase integration when your app requires a database or a login. This level of automation is a game changer, making app development accessible to a broader audience. The agent also keeps up with modern web trends. It can integrate tools like Framer Motion or Shackton to create smooth animations and professional designs. This ensures your apps look and feel cutting edge, all without you needing to be a design expert. Another cool feature is the ability to connect to real-world services. You can bring your own API credentials to integrate databases, payment processors, or even Google Maps. This is where your apps become truly interactive and useful, bridging the gap between the digital and physical worlds. AI Studio also remembers your progress, allowing you to pick up where you left off across devices. It's like having a virtual assistant that keeps track of your work, making development seamless and efficient. The agent's understanding of project structure and chat history is impressive. It enables faster iterations and more accurate code edits, making the development process smoother and more intuitive. And for those who love Next.js, React, or Angular, AI Studio has you covered. You can build apps with these frameworks right out of the box, catering to a wide range of developer preferences. To see the power of AI Studio, check out some of the examples. You can build retro-style multiplayer games, collaborative 3D particle experiences, or even apps that interact with the real world. The possibilities are endless. What's even more exciting is that this isn't just a concept. It's been tested and proven. Google has already built hundreds of thousands of apps with AI Studio internally. And they're not stopping there. They're working on more integrations like connecting Workspace to bring Drive and Sheets into your apps. In my opinion, AI Studio is a glimpse into the future of app development. It democratizes the process, making it accessible to both coding newbies and seasoned developers. Whether you're building your first app or managing a team of AI agents, AI Studio has the potential to accelerate your journey. So, if you're ready to turn your ideas into reality, head over to AI Studio and start building. The future of coding is here, and it's an exciting vibe.